how to create a shared folder in OneDrive. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shared folder on OneDrive. So let's get started. First of all, sign into your OneDrive and then you're going to head over to My Files. Once you're here, simply open the folder or create a folder. So let's create a new folder. Click on Create or Upload, click on Folder and type down any folder name. So I'm going to give it name Shared Folder and then click Create. Once you do so, you'll be able to see the folder created. So you can see this is the folder. So you can simply open the folder and upload any file or any other folders that you wish. So once you have uploaded the contents, you can simply go back. And once you're back, simply navigate that folder that you created or that you wish to share. That is over here, shared folder. So you'll be able to see this icon over here, that is share icon. Simply click on it and then you'll be able to see a new window pop up in front of you. So over here, you're going to type in the name, group, or email of the people with who you wish to share the folder. You can also give them a message because this shared folder invitation will be sent to them through email. So if you want to simply tell them that what is this folder about, you can type that over here. And alternatively, you can click on anyone with the link can edit. Click on it. And you can see the link works for who, like you can select anyone, only people with existing access or people you choose. So you can simply select anyone you want and you can tweak in more settings, such as you can give them the rights of editing, like whether you want the people to edit or only view, set expiration date, also set password. Once done, simply click on apply and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can create a shared folder in OneDrive. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. So I'll see you in the next video.